The biggest challenge we had when we were moving through with this technology that had been around for a while in Asia was an understanding of how we could make it work in Canada in our colder weather, but to break down the different species of bacteria we were working with so then we could manufacture the solution directed at different waste streams. We had all this evidence of how it had been done, but we didn't understand the why, and that challenge in itself created for us to go to the marketplace. We could go to the marketplace and say, hey, this has worked over here and it's worked there, but we needed to get into why is it working and what can we do at the level where we're doing it at now. And by working with the people through OGI and finding out how to pull all that apart was a little different for us to the way we looked at things, because we were really like, there's the solution, there's the challenge, here's the solution, let's get to it. But pulling it back and pulling it apart was so beneficial for us in understanding how we could then remanufacture the solution to fit the different clients' needs.
So the interesting thing with Bishop Water Technologies, which is the company that's based in Ottawa, is that this was the first time that they were realizing the potential and the power of genomics, and we introduced them to that by brainstorming various ways that we could help shed some light on how their product BioCord worked within municipal and industrial wastewaters. So next steps for us were actually introducing Don Bishop and his team to the academic researchers, and we introduced them to Dr. Christopher Weisner and Dr. Subarao Chiganti at University of Windsor, and they actually work within the Great Lakes Institute for Environmental Research, and there was great synergies between the two. We facilitated that first meeting with them, got them really excited about the research involved, were involved in the design of the project, and then actually suggested a funding opportunity for them that we thought was a great fit, which was NSERC Engage. And the reason we thought this was a great fit for them was because it's only available when the two groups to come together for the first time. And so we helped them put together the application, and they were successful in a $25,000 grant.
Upon first meeting the people at OGI and them hearing what it was that we needed to move forward, and they saw our frustration with what we were dealing with at the research level and in the marketplace, because they could see the bigger picture. From there, what we're able to do is they started to search and get that introductions to the right people. But more so was they were able to take our thinking on the industry side and move it into the broader spectrum of what was needed on the research side. So it was almost like an interpretation of one language to another, and that was of great benefit to us because we were really not speaking the same language to the researchers, or they weren't hearing our language as well, so they really bridged that gap.